Okay, sir. And today, welcome to visit our factories, and it's an honor for me and for our home company and to receive your visiting here. And today, you have already seen our laser cutting machines. What do you think of this?
So actually, it's perfect as your machines is so smart and so easy to use. I went through all the process for the laser cutting machine and also for the laser welding machine. So I tried it out. Basically, it's phenomenal and suit my need. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So, what do you think of our technical workers, engineers, and our sales managers? What do
They
you think of
know
them?
what they are doing actually, and they're smart, and they provide good recommendations, and basically they give me a quick training, as I said earlier, and also you do have the after sales service, which is awesome. So to continue support the buyer after resale. So just if an issue or basically have some challenges, basically you can help. So it's
Okay.
awesome.
Okay, thank you
Great,
very
thank you
much.
so much. Appreciate it. Thanks.
Thank you.